So put some tips.
Oh, you already put the side?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
And also that side.
Okay. So you can put the chips and then I put openings. I used to drink this as a child.
Yes,
I used to love it.
I am not a child. I'm a big girl.
Okay, good girl.
again? Last time. Say welcome to my party.
Welcome to my party.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you for coming.
Smile.
Happy birthday, dear Riley. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Cut the cake. 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 Yay! Cut it again. Cut the cake. Cut the cake. Cut the cake. Yay! What makeup? What? Let's see. Put your name. Put your and move back a little bit so that I can see.
Wait first, Liana. Liana, back delay. Come here.
Minnie Mouse. Do you like it? It's so pretty. It's pretty. I got. And what else? Girl, you can do anything. Minnie Mouse. You like it as well? It's nice. I got. Wow! You have a new swimsuit? Yes. December, you're gonna be swimming with it. I got.
That's why it's small.
Is it small? It's not. It's also Minnie Mouse. That's nice. Yeah. Thanks to Brian Acker. What is that? Wow.
Liana, she's opening all the gifts.
Liana, mama, don't go. Wow. Girl, now you have a nail thing. We're gonna be doing your nails all the time. These are so pretty. I got. So now you have your own nail things. You'll stop using mine. I got. Okay. Oh, thank you. Who's this one from? You don't know. Read.
Here's from them.
Happy birthday, Riley, from Auntie Katie and Auntie Tabs. And me.
Okay. What is that? And the sunglass case. Please push your sunglasses in. I cannot buy anyway.
Me, they know.
What is that? You don't know. Wow, it's a floating thing. What are you doing? Floater. Float. For when you swim.
Me, I also have it.
You also have a tiger. So you guys should go
The
swimming.
orange one.
Yeah. So you guys are gonna go for a swimming session. You will ask Auntie Adrizi to take you. Yes. This one is from. You should read. It's written here. Let me see. From Atile and Kaya. So you can open. Wow. We have a Christmas thingy dress. True. We are the girl. That is so pretty, right? Yeah. So December you'll be wearing it. Next. Girl, how so here the girl? You have a whole entire wallet. You see, you've been troubling me with the pencil and sharpener and rubber. Now you have them. I get. Don't know. It's not written. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. From Liana, good girl. Check what's inside. Open. What? For your bedroom, girl. It's so pretty. And then we're gonna change your bedding. Wow. From Liana. Say thank you, Liana. Big thing, there's another thing back there, there's another thing that side. Was it written? I don't know. It's probably not written here. There's something inside. Maybe it's written here. Let me see. It's like wash care bag. Yes. So you're gonna put your things in here. And that thing also. Cables. I want to do as well. There's a thing inside. There's a card inside. Here. You can open it inside. Maybe there's a letter. Open inside. Nna ke tebekele ha kae By the way, it's all serious. From Reneway, I get it. Thank you. Happy birthday. We love you. You said you want a scooter. What about that one you're sitting on? Is it not a present as well? What do you mean you don't know? It's a present. Who's it from? It's not written. That one you're sitting on. Thank you, Auntie Adrize. With lights. Wow. That's so pretty. So pretty, okay? Yeah, we're gonna play with it.
What's up, Keith? What's up, Lisa? Damn.
You know how
See, nails.
I'm definitely
You're definitely almost done. Yes, ma'am. Yes, but again. So, what's been your nails? So now, like, girl, you're doing blue and pink.
pink. Hi guys.
Hi guys, I know I haven't said hi since I started the vlog, but yeah, hi guys. You were just watching Riley's birthday party. She was turning 5, so we decided to throw her a party. Even though it's the pandemic, we tried as much to make it a drive-through party, although some family just stayed behind to just spend the day with her basically. But yeah, we had so much fun. Thank you so much to everyone who came. Thank you so much to everybody who helped prepare for everything. I couldn't have done it alone, honestly. We took the grannies, we took the aunties, the friends and cousins. Everyone was just on board, helping out, cooking, preparing, decorating everything. It was actually a DIY party. I believe 95% of the things that we use for the party were actually DIY. So yeah, we're so grateful for having every single one, and we were happy. She was happy to receive all her presents. She was happy to just see everyone show up for her party. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing.
Bye bye.
I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Stop.